Hi everyone. So this is Coding Ninja React Skill Test 2. So basically it is a React application and the application name is album. So we are just fetching the data from the backend, from the API, and we just showing that data in the front end and performing the CRUD operation on that API. Yeah. So so this is my hosted list link. So if you click on it, you can see, so this is the application. So we have some data we get from the API, and these are the data. Okay, so if you see here, so there is a navbar effect here, and there is search bar. We have a button to add a new album. We have a delete button if you want to delete some album. We have an edit button as well. So I will demonstrate all the operations. So let's suppose if I want to add uh, a new, so it will redirect. So let's suppose I want to add with the user ID, and we have a Netflix movies. Okay, if I just click add button, you can see a toast message here. And if I just scroll down to below, you can see there is a we have a new album here. Or if you see closely, if I delete any of the album, still we have a album one, but that album automatically delete, and in starting point of the album start from the one. Okay, if I delete two, you just focus on the name. If I delete two, so the third one becomes second, and so on. So same goes to the end. Okay, and the third one, if we want to edit something, so I just want to edit this. So if I want to edit username, so let's suppose I just user ID, so I did 45, and it's okay. So YouTube, we can say YouTube React project album, and if I hit at it, you can see here. So we have a, and the last one, we have a search bar here, and if you see here, when I type Y, it will take some time to search the things because I have used debouncing here. So if I just go back, and if I type U, then it will give me the result of that. Filter out the all the albums and give me the desired result. Okay, so this is the demonstration of the project. So let me walk through you with the code we have. So this is the code. Okay, so we have an index file. So this is our index file, and we have a app.js. Basically, I'm using the navbar and routers. So I build a component which name is routers, and whatever the router we have, so it will return that. Okay, that component. So we have a CSS file, and these are our components. So the main component is, this is our navbar component, and this is our edit button, edit album. So this is add album. So this is the card which you have seen. This is the form. Okay, so whatever the operations edit and add new album, basically we are taking the input from the user with the help of this form component. Okay, so the one more interesting thing is here. So so we are using the states, so it's better to use a context API because this is a small API, sorry, small application. So I have used the context API so that I can you know access the states wherever I want to. Okay, component. So if you see here, okay, closely, so this is our API. So sorry, not API, our context API. So I'm creating the album. So this is a custom hook. So it's just use context hook to get the values of the context, album context. So we have a five state here. So first is the album, second loading error, edit album, and search album. Okay, so these are the five. So album, basically I'm using whenever I fetch the data from the API, I just update the album and the search album. Okay, why I'm search album? Because search album, whenever we search something on a search bar, so it will update the search album. Okay, and if we reduce the we can say the reduce the character in the search bar, so it should be filters from the original ones. So that's why I'm taking the album and search album. Okay, so this is our get AP fetch request. Okay, it will hit this endpoint and get we will get the, so this will give you the 100 albums, but out of that I'm just taking this 30. So if you see, there is a slicing method. Okay, so these are the post requests we have. We can post, but this API is not support the post, create, or put request. So it's just a dummy request. So whatever the result we get, it will console. Okay, so I will show you after that. Okay, so we have update and we have a delete. So all these are we can say the APIs will hit with the help of these functions we have. Okay, handlers and delete and element. So I'm exporting. This is yeah, I'm exporting it, and these are the things. Okay, so I'll show you. Let me show you. So if I just console here, okay, and let me do it responsive. So you can see here it is also responsive as well. Okay, so if I just go to uh, okay, so let me let's suppose I just want to create a new one. Okay, so if I just hit, and instead of I'm just focusing on the message, and if I just click, sorry, let's take movies. If I hit enter, you can see here we get a response. So basically this response we are getting from the API, the dummy API. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, so it is totally responsive. If you see here, if I just, okay, so this is a responsive. I hope you like it, guys. If you like it, please share with your friends, and if you want more videos, you can subscribe my channel and I'll post it. You can check my GitHub. There is a lot of we can say the beginner friendly projects over there. Okay, have a good day.